And now I'm going to show you a few handy shortcuts to get more specific searches. So in our last search, we were looking at elite hiring and gender. And when I click that, I get tons of results, 84,700. And you'll notice that in bold are these terms: elite hiring, elite gender hiring. It's all the same, the stuff I searched for, but it's all separated. But if I want to be much more specific, I can type in these quotes around elite hiring. Hit enter again, my 84,000 results drops to 21, because now what you'll notice is whenever you see elite and hiring, they're always together. They're not separated. So it really focuses the search. So be careful, it may over-focus it. Maybe 21 results is not as much as you want, but it definitely helps you cut through the clutter if you have too much. Let's say we're doing a different kind of paper. We're doing higher education. I hit enter. And in many cases, these words come together, but there is going to be instances where they're separated. So once again, I'm going to throw the quotes around it. But then I decide, but you know what I don't want in here is I don't want to write about material about community colleges. Maybe my paper is only about four-year colleges. So I put a minus sign right in front of the item. And now none of these results have community colleges in it. Of course, maybe you're specifically writing a paper about community colleges. Then just change that to a plus sign. Hit it again. And what will happen is every result has both higher education and community colleges somewhere in it. So these two, couple of tools using both the quotes to keep words together and the plus and minus signs to require that it's in there or require that it's not in there are super fast and handy ways to focus your search. Beyond that, there are what we call an advanced search. So you can just click up here, go down to advanced search, and there's a bunch more options, and that is located, if you're in the main screen, the exact same spot. So you come up here to these areas, advanced search. And in this case, it has to have all of the following words. So maybe I would say higher education, community college, with the exact phrase, community college. By putting it here, it's really not any different than if in the main bar I did the quotes around it. But for people who don't know that that exists, they can use this, or at least one word without the words. This is sort of like the negative button that I showed you already. And then this is that it can the search can be anywhere in the body of the article or only in the title, which of course is much more specific. But this is helpful if you kind of know, like, oh, what's that article? I know there are like a word or two of the title. They can help you find something. Of course, you can look for authors, the journal it's in, and date ranges. But most of this stuff you can do outside of the advanced search button, but it is here if you prefer to do it this way. And that's it. Keep those tools in mind, and you're going to be able to find what you're looking for much faster.